You're doing a little peeping, Savon? A little bit of fall peeping? You peeping Tom? You peeping Tom, you. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today, the lady and I drove about an hour and 15 minutes southwest of Denver in an attempt to see some fall colors before they all go away. So we actually drove up to Kenosha Pass, which is a very popular spot to see some fall colors, especially aspens in the area. The cold weather is supposed to be coming in the next week or so, and we actually got some overnight flakes over Loveland Pass and a couple of the ski resorts in the area. So winter is coming, so we thought we'd kind of take a last second attempt to get some fall colors in. We're gonna be hiking the Kenosha Pass North Trail, which actually runs along the Colorado Trail segment 6. And we're gonna do a 3-mile out and back with a little over 1,000 feet of birds. And hopefully we see some aspens along the way. Like I was saying, we're pretty pumped to be up here. Haven't actually done a hike in the area, and it is a popular day to be up here. The parking lot is stacked with cars, so looks like everyone else has it in mind to see some fall colors before the snow comes. So we're about 1.5 miles into the hike right now. A lot of the aspen leaves are down, probably because they just got so cold over the weekend. But there's still some great views out here. We've actually never came and done a hike or a trail run up here, so just being up on Kenosha Pass itself is a whole new treat. It's like a giant bowl of sherbet ice cream. Just want to take a big old bite out of it. You're doing a little peeping, Savon? A little bit of fall peeping? You peeping Tom? You peeping Tom, you. All right guys, so we're pretty much at that 3-mile marker that we set out on to do here on the Colorado Trail at Kenosha Pass. And I gotta say, as disappointing as it was to start out the hike in the woods and like not see any aspens that were changing colors and majority of the leaves were on the ground, the further back you go, it seems like it just gets better and better. We got to this back section and the whole area is just beautiful. There's still a lot of aspen trees out here. And even if you weren't gonna come out here for the aspen trees or fall season itself, this is still a beautiful trail to take along Kenosha Pass and the Colorado Trail. Like I was saying, it's one that we actually have always driven by and want to stop at, but just never got the time to do. It's great to come out after a long summer and some great hikes that we've had all year long, but it's time for winter to come. You can actually see in the peaks behind me, a little bit of snow on the caps up there. and we actually got 2 inches of snow over on Loveland Pass this last weekend, so winter is coming. And for you guys that don't know or follow the channel that much, I do a lot of skiing videos over the season, especially for those of you that have the Icon Pass here in Colorado. So I'll be doing a lot of that. But the fiance already took off, so I'm gonna go catch up with her. I'll see you guys back at the car. Alright guys, so I just got back to the car, and in good time too, because Kenosha Pass is just becoming flooded with a bunch of cars right now in the parking lot. Kenosha Pass, like I said, is a great spot to come to, especially during the fall season to see all the colors up here, but it's a really popular area to hike at, especially since the Colorado Trail runs right through it. We're gonna head back down to the Golden area right now, grab a cup of coffee on the way there, and then head back down to enjoy the rest of our weekend. But it was so great to have you guys come along with us on this hike. Like I said, we hadn't been up here before, and we never even hiked up at Kenosha Pass before, so it's just great to come up here and still know that there's a lot of areas in Colorado that we can come and explore that will be new to us. So hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you want to see more to come, think about subscribing to the channel. Either way, I'm just so happy you guys could come along with us today, and I hope to see you OOT and a boot. We'll see you next time.